Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Today I'm going to show you how to replace this marker light and fog light bulb in this 2007 Mini Cooper S. If there's any parts you need for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. You can do this on the ground with the wheel turned. We have it up in the air just to make the video easier to see. What you're going to do is grab this little cover, twist it to the left, pull the cover off. And then in here, you can grab the bulb, twist it to the left. You can pull it right out, like that. To disconnect it from the connector, there's two little lock tabs here. It's stuck. I'll use a little pick tool. You can get underneath here to release it and wiggle the bulb right out. This bulb is an H11 bulb. When we reinstall this, we want to line this tab up with that on the bulb, lock it in place. You want to make sure you don't touch the glass of the bulb. We're going to line this up into the hole and twist it to the right. It's locked in place. Yep. There's another bulb right here. You can grab this socket, twist it to the left, pull it right out. To pull the bulb out, just grab it with your fingers, pull it out. This is a 194 bulb. To reinstall it, line it up with the socket, push it in. And to install the socket, just line it up with the hole and twist it to the right. Lock it in place. We can take our plastic cover, line these tabs up, and twist it to the right.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.